17 South Africans trapped in Ukraine. Are they mercenaries or victims of deceit? Are these people mercenaries or are they victims of deceit? In a war zone, thousands of kilometers away, 17 South Africans, aged 20 to 39, have issued a desperate distress call. They are trapped in Ukraine's war-torn Donbas region, seeking urgent help to return home. But this is not a simple repatriation case. The government has confirmed these men were lured under false pretense, tricked by promises of lucrative employment contracts, and ended up fighting as mercenaries.